Yeah, we also set up the windows. So when you click on the book, if there are any projects created, it'll pop up a little window. It's a new book, and if you name it, and then it'll save the name. It'll create the book. So that's about as far as we've gotten right now. We're going to start working now more on them.
So with PicBook, we want you to be able to import your photos and then be able to rotate them and resize them, and for it to have a more tactile feel. So you actually feel like you're in control of where your photos are going and how they're going to look.
Here, what's your email?
Junior between
Since this is a Facebook-oriented app, our application is driven highly by Facebook. And in this last sprint, we haven't addressed much of the problems incorporating Facebook into our app yet. But now, in this next upcoming sprint, we want to incorporate the login screen and how to open up a session within our app in order to pull photos and place them in our photo gallery.
So as of now, we have a lot of our data containers all coded out. So we're really ready to start working hard on the user interface. We started working on the user interface on this sprint and really got through most of the functionality of the main screen and realized that we need to rethink how we're doing our graphics. So that's two areas we're going to focus in for the next sprint, is redoing our graphics for the home screen as well as coding up a lot more of the user interface experience for the other screens.
Originally, we wanted to make a very tactile feel to our app, make it look like a real scrapbook and give it that feel of actually touching the paper and all of that stuff, but we realized that that is very hard and it didn't really look authentic. It looked more cheesy than anything. So we've decided to take a much more simpler and modern route within our graphic interface, and we've just basically simplified everything and almost down to like a minimal design.
With our social media, what we're trying to do is show the people that are behind PicBook, the people who are working on this, Team Dragonfire, really. And what we do to do that is we share our profiles that we wrote on each other, and we share other stuff like what we're doing that day or that week and what we plan to do, and we just try to be as transparent as possible.